Come and prove to me how it becomes Ebuka. God will punish you. Have you seen any Israeli that went to Portugal for prayer? As I said, but Ebuka will go to Vatican, Ebuka will go to Fatima, Portugal, Ebuka will go to Israel to show you he doesn't have a stand. This is a manipulation and deception of Satan. Ebuka is worshiping demonic powers. So if you think Ebuka is a Zion, you're a fool to think Ebuka is a Zion. No Zionite man that can go to Portugal to go and worship idol marine kingdom Mary. No Sabbatarian, no Zionite can go to Rome to go and pray to demonic powers. Now, Mary is supposed to appear to Israel. How can Mary go and be appearing to Portugalese, to Fatima? Have your sense. This is a demonic deception of satanic. Now, why wouldn't Mary appear to Pope? Appear to her disciples? He wants to appear to little children to deceive more people. Because when he captured the mind of children, he captured the mind of all. Why wouldn't God appear to children of Israel? He appeared to the prophet Moses and giving commandment of what to do. The money I resisted to save people from death. That is what useless Ebuka take using the name of God, Zion, the holy place of Sabbateria. Are you a Zion? Are you a Zionite? God punish you there. Do you see Martin can go to Vatican? These are the idol people. Arusi Kurunefe. Arusi Ekwesumi water going and watching. Say get crowd. Get crowd what? We don't get crowd. Akwa cannot get crowd. Matthias no get crowd. Come on, prove to us how it became Zion. You pray Zion, you're praying to statue. Who told you they worship Mary in Zion? Who told you they pray chaplet in Zion? Who told you worship demonic powers in Zion? God can never spare all of you. See that money you are looking for. It will be on an end. You go eat that money in a sick bed. You cry. I know. Mark my word. Now they do church of Satan.
Satan doesn't need you to.
He thinks it's by crowd.
He only needs your word.
The day in the evil days is coming. All of you will cry like a chicken. He will die for stroke. He will die for kidney. He will die under sickness that can never be cured. All of you all that be promoting this useless church of Satan.
The truth is clear.
God kill you for destroying souls of millions of people in our church. God kill all of you there. The money that I rejected, I can prove it anywhere in the world. The money I rejected is what Ebuka will take. God punish all of you. Who told you Zion belongs to you people? Are you a Zionite? You are a immorality, idol worshippers, demonic idiots. Bring it on. Bring down your power. Go on, let us prove it. Bring your Bible. God kill you. Show me one rabbi. Show me one prophet from Israel who have visited these demonic cities. Hacking page this time. Those your police will be the one to arrest you. Those your hackers will be the one to destroy you. Those your gangster will be the one to haunt you. For I can't wash you, useless of Ebuka, to deceive my people. Come and prove it to me. Take me to court. Come and prove to me how Mary became mother of God. Come and prove to me how can you go to Israel and go to Rome at the same time. You claim to be a Zion. You're worshiping Roman Catholic idol worship. So it should remain there. You remove your name from Zion. Zion are the Sabbatarians. Zion are the choosing people. Zion are the David Yahweh. Who can worship you without your idolatry, demonic worship. Fatima of Portugal. These are the idol worship. These are occultic men. These are the marine kingdom worship. I'm only come to warn you. Forget about the crowd. Forget about the noise. Forget about you don't have member. What is member? God is saying, don't you know your body is a temple of God? So if you cannot value yourself that you have God in you, which God are you looking for? This is the idol occultic worshippers. Portuguese, Rome, these are the center of what? Evil, covenant of 666. I'm making this video. I said, such video I will not make it, but I was troubled. I've been awake since 12 o'clock. Yes, I've been awake since 12 o'clock. I was praying. So I'm only doing this video to save you. So if you're thinking Ebuka is part of the Zion, you already leading you to marine kingdom, leading you astray to kingdom of darkness, leading you astray to sell yourself to Satan, leading you astray to power of darkness, marine kingdom, queen of heaven, sun god, seat. What appear in Vatican, the day they are waiting, he asked them to wait in 1990. Did they ask them to wait? What did they see? They saw sun. They did not see Mary, they saw sun. That is sun god. Worship. I'm only making this video to save you. I'm only making this video to elevate you. I'm only making this video because I was sent. I can't watch my people die because you want a miracle, because you want fake prophecy, because you want fake idiots, Ebuka, to deceive you in name of Zion.